CLIMATIG gives insurance companies insight into increasing climate risks, allowing them to better understand how such risks can affect their business and assess the financial impact of climate risks on their business and portfolio, and to take appropriate measures to manage such risks. They have developed CLIMATIG.com, which helps insurers and underwriters assess their portfolio assets' exposure to climate physical risk until the year 2100. Please welcome CLIMATIG.
CLIMATIG is a climate risk tool that helps insurers to assess climate physical risk in the future. So we started in 2019 with the question, is it possible to measure physical climate risk on each location, on each asset, my house, that hotel? Is that possible? Can it be measurable? This is our story. My name is Duško Radulović. I'm a founder and CEO of CLIMATIG, and with me is Alen, Šterpin, our Chief Scientific Officer. So we are all witnessing the tremendous increase of claims that climate change are causing to your insurers. River floods, tropical cyclones, wildfires, strong wind, all of those climate change, it's not so easy to measure right now. So in traditional methods like NatCat or statistical assessments are actually not working right now. The other problem, so this is not the only one that you are suffering, dear insurers. The other problem is also new legislation, taxonomy, ESG reporting, climate resilience stress test by EIOPA, which you got in January 22nd. So how to answer all of those challenges at easy and really friendly surface, is that possible? So here it is. This is our climate risk tool, which we created and launched in this year. So what we are actually doing, so we are having a risk tool which can measure up to 8 climate perils: severe wind, tropical cyclone, river flood, coastal flood, heavy precipitation, drought, and heat stress, but on location in resolution of only 10 meters. Yes, it's 10 meters. So here and the next door house can have different climate scenarios which you can assess. So the other thing that we have in this tool is that you have variety of time also periods. So you can pick period of year or two or to 50 years in the future up to 2100. So what else are we doing? So we have several use cases. One of that definitely is with Marsh McLennan. It was really challenging. They asked us, can we do it also offshore? We said, yes, we need only geolocation. And then they were asking for wind turbines. And the other use cases currently we are a member of Lloyd's lab program. And of course, we have to admit that UN program, environment program, launched CLIMATIG as their climate risk tool in their dashboard. So let us show you how it works. My colleague Alen will show you specifically now in this location how it works.
Thank you, Duško. Hello, everyone. I'm Alen, Chief Scientific Officer in CLIMATIG, and it's time to present how CLIMATIG works live. So we will start with entering the address of one location in any part of Europe. So let's take one location here in Munich. So what is mandatory here? It's to enter the asset type and coordinates, and this can be done by clicking on the map or by address or directly through coordinates. A group input of assets and polygons are enabled as well, and all in a resolution up to 10 meters. While we're waiting for the calculation, which usually takes about 10 seconds, we will see what it looks like once we put the entire asset portfolio on Mersch-McLennan use case. Each of these assets in portfolio has their climatic score, which is a composite climate risk index between 0 and 100, when 0 means low risk and 100 means extreme risk, which tells us the level of climate risk according to different hazards. We have data for heat wave, drought, heavy precipitation, severe wind, wildfire, coastal flood, river flood, and tropical cyclone. We can look the entire portfolio analysis on the map to get a better view of them and find the most exposure assets. You can select one of two IPCC climate scenarios and choose time period of interest, or exact year, in 1 year resolution. Here, you can also find an offshore windmill electricity power plant. In the cumulative view screen, there, you can check how many assets in your portfolio is at low, medium, high, very high, and extreme risk, and which of these perils affect your portfolio the most. So now, let me check if the calculation for new asset in Munich is done. This asset is in low risk category with the highest risk from heavy precipitation. You can view climate risk trends over the year on the graph or on the table view. You can easily export this asset data in PDF report with all climate risk calculation for that asset. All these results can be obtained by using our API, along with climate indices and parameters used to calculate climatic scores.
We just show you how it works live. We are not here to stress you with and frighten you with climate change. We are here to present you how science works. This algorithm that we created is actually really working and is available to all of you, so we are daring you to try it. So try it and sign up to www.climatig.com and try it. You can try for one asset for free. So thank you very much for your attention, and you are welcome to try it. Thank you.